You look good. Let me see if you sneak over here.
Put on makeup today for the first time in a long time.
Hey everybody, it's David here with Natalie for our very first Stagers Corner of 2020. I know you might... Two. Holy shit. 2022. Hopefully we're not going through 2020 again. You know, TOO. It's an old one. Yeah, I know. In case you guys weren't aware, a couple things. Before the holiday, we sold our home, and that's where we're going to talk a little bit about that kind of process. And the reason why we haven't had a Stagers Corner yet is we're also recovering from COVID. So we're all better now?
Yes.
Most of the time. You can see in our eyes. So Nat, how was the process? What happened? What are we going to talk about for us selling our home on Edgecroft?
Well, I mean, we weren't going to talk about the process. We were just saying throughout the entire thing how we do this on a daily basis. We tell people what to do on a daily basis. We give them their lists. We say, go do this. Here's your homework. But we haven't been through it ourselves in a very long time.
Yeah, the last home we sold was in 2014.
That was before he was a realtor.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, and you did a lot of the staging. That was kind of your first step into like getting the
Yeah.
house ready.
Yeah.
But we weren't living in that home. We had already purchased the Edgecroft home. We were living there for 3 years. We had it as a rental.
Yeah.
This is the first time we ever actually had to live through staging, showing, cleaning up, have your kids living in your house.
Yeah. And given the time of year, we really didn't have the option to kind of like vacate.
And we have 3 cats.
And we have 3 cats.
One of them is sketched out, so
Yeah.
we didn't want him puking all over the place. We couldn't put him into a shelter because he's just a nightmare.
Yeah. Anyway, so it was pretty challenging getting out. We did have a considerable amount of showings given the time of year, so it was just constantly in and out and in and out, and very challenging during COVID times to like. The only thing we could really do was go to the mall, right? Yeah. Couldn't even go like have a coffee somewhere or anything. So anyway, hats off to everybody that is going through it right now.
We felt your pain.
We felt your pain. We know what it's like, and we promise to be more gentle. We're giving you your to-do lists and things to do,
and the time frame we're doing. We need it done now. Yeah, that's also another thing too. Also, we wanted to say a shout out to all those realtors who didn't cancel. Believe it or not, we only had really one realtor that canceled. Like there's about 3 or 4 cancellations, but it wasn't like we didn't have any no-shows. So that drives both homeowners and realtors insane. Is like when you don't show up and don't tell us. If you're not going to show up for a listing, please cancel that listing. If you're anything like us, we're living in the home. We've already vacated. We made sure everything looks pretty.
Yeah,
it's okay.
Dealt with the cats. Dealt with the kids. Figured it out.
If you're going to cancel, that's fine. We can just come back in the house and just relax a little bit, as opposed to hiding out for half an hour not knowing where people were. Yeah. So that was a little bit frustrating when that only happened. Actually, it didn't really happen. It only happened like we had one late showing, which I called the realtor. Are you showing up? So anyway, that's different. But thank you, everybody. All the people that put a lot of hard work. We're very appreciative of everything you've done for all of our teams. So thanks so much.
And then through the next few weeks, we'll probably talk a little bit more about the staging process in our house, what we did to get it prepped and that sort of thing. But that's for another day.
Yeah. And in case we did the green screen today because we wanted to show you our house. Hopefully I still have those pictures.
I don't know what pictures it's going to be.
We have no idea. That's after the end. That's going to be on the editing floor. So hopefully I'm picking good ones. So, all right, guys, let's see you next week. Bye for now.